Hey guys, it's Jason here with MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas, and today I'm standing in front of a fresh trade-in we just took in. It is a 2023 Mastercraft NXT22. A couple cool things I like about this boat is the clamping board racks. So these board racks are really simple to use. Put your wakeboard in there, clamp them down, they're safe and secure. Another thing I like about this boat here is this rear swim platform. It does have the optional swim seat on there. It just makes it really easy to get in and out of the boat and just chilling in the water. Guys, I'm actually inside of this pre-owned 2023 NXT22. A couple cool things about this boat. It has our Cool Feel vinyl. This vinyl stays a little bit cooler out there in the Texas heat. Not to mention the awesome JL audio stereo speakers and blue LED ring lights. For more information about this boat or any of our other boats, don't hesitate to contact me. My name's Jason here with MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas.